welcome to Job World. My name is Abhishek Pandey. In this channel, we always update you through a lot of job. It's online or part-time or full-time job. We even give you a lot of opportunity to earn money online on regular basis. In this video, I have come up with a very good method where you can earn money just by selling photos. So let me come to the website. Here is the website you have, and now you can see the dash line, the bold line here. It is written, "Get paid to take photos. Start selling your photos today." So all you know, guys, that all of us are fond of clicking pictures in our day-to-day lives. Wherever we go, we have some snapshot, we have some picture of that, and we upload that on Instagram or other platform like social media, but we don't earn any amount of money from that. Now let me tell you, here you can see the bold line here, "Get paid to take money. Start selling your photos today. Upload and instantly sell to million of potential buyer." To be very honest, this is gonna work for many people, and it is gonna be working for you as well. Now, the network, let me read that for you. Our network is here to help you sell your picture to thousands of potential buyers that need them for websites, catalogs, books, magazines, ads, and variety of other uses things. So there are a lot of potential buyers out there who are ready to buy your pictures that you click randomly going somewhere or on a tour or anywhere at home. Now, let me tell you, what are the methods? How can you earn from here? First of all you have to do is just click your picture, take a photo, any random photo, make sure it has good clarity, okay, and good quality. Upload that, upload and instantly sell to million of potential buyer in the sense those who are willing to buy your picture for their work. Okay, where do I work? You work online as a freelancer, be your own boss, work when and where you want. Okay, so you can click picture anywhere, whether you're home or you're outside or you're at your job, wherever you are, you can click your picture the way we do generally. Okay, and you can make money out of it. There is no limit on how much you can earn. The more picture you submit, the more money you can make. Now this is gonna be a golden chance for you guys. Do not miss it and try to grab this offer as soon as possible. Now, do you live outside the US? No problem whether you live in US or not. Wherever you live, you can make money out of it. Wherever you live around the globe, you can make money out of it. Whether you're Indian or you're anyone, maybe you live in tier 1 country, 2 country or 3 country, you can earn a lot of money from here. All you need is your mobile camera. Your mobile camera, which is this rear or front, doesn't matter. Okay, you can join from here. Join now. All you have to do is just click on join now button, and this will redirect you to a URL where you have to sign up. Signing up is very easy. All you need to do is just put your name and your email address, and you have to click on get started. If you click on get started, you get to another page where you have to have a minimal amount that you can pay of $1. You can try it for 5 days, which is just a piece of cake. Anybody can try it, or anybody can afford it. It's not a big deal, I think. Okay, because this is gonna make you a lot of money. As you read in the first page that sky is the limit. One can earn a lots and lots of money just by selling their own pictures, their own clickable pictures. Okay, so I am putting a link just in the description in case if you wanna try it, and you must try that out because here you don't need to do a lot of work to earn a lot of money. Okay, so I think in this video I have got up with a lot of good information that can earn you a lot of money in no time. Okay, so all you have to do is just click the link in the description and go for that. Do not waste your time and grab the offer as soon as possible. That's it. See you in the next video with something else. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.